In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can buy the Xbox Game Pass on your Xbox Series X or S console. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you need to go ahead and start on your home screen and go ahead and open up the Microsoft Store. You could just scroll down, select Browse the Store, and it'll go ahead and open up for you. But once you do go ahead and get on that Microsoft Store, you need to just scroll over or just scroll down until you see the subscriptions section. If you don't see it right away, open up the left-hand sidebar and you can select the subscriptions just from there. But go ahead and open this up and you're going to see the option for Game Pass. Go ahead and select that. This is going to show you all the Game Pass, subscription options. I actually already have the subscription, but if I hit manage subscription, I can go ahead and see more options just like so. But from here, you'll also see the purchase screen. You can go ahead and just immediately purchase it if you would like. You can also change or add the payment method if needed. Just keep in mind that the subscription will automatically renew, and to cancel it, you can just come to this exact same section as well. Once you do confirm that you're purchasing it, it'll process the purchase, and after a few seconds, you'll be getting a confirmation message and email. And then from here, you can just go back to the home screen and immediately have access to the Game Pass section. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.